In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track expenses in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a simple, repeatable system to capture every expense, see where your money is going, and stay on top of budgets without leaving ClickUp. Start by opening ClickUp and creating a dedicated place for your finances. Go to Spaces and add a new one. Name it something clear like Finance or Budget and Expenses. If your workspace already has an admin or operations area, you can use that instead. Inside this space, add a folder and call it Expense Tracking. Keeping everything in one folder makes it easy to manage and report later. Within that folder, create a new list and name it Expenses. In this system, each task equals one expense, such as a software subscription, ad spend, or office supplies. This one task per expense approach keeps data tidy and searchable. Next, set up your statuses so you can track where each cost stands. Open the list settings and edit the statuses to include locked, pending approval if you need an internal check, paid, and reimbursed if you handle reimbursements. These statuses make it obvious what needs attention and what's been settled. Now add custom fields to capture the details you'll need for budgeting and reporting. Create expense amount as a money field. Add a category drop-down with options like software, marketing, payroll, travel, and office. Include a payment method drop-down for credit card, bank transfer, or cash. Add an expense date field, a recurring expense checkbox, and a month field as either a drop-down or date. These fields power filters, views, and totals, so be consistent with naming and categories. When you log an expense, create a new task and name it clearly. For example, Canva subscription, March. Fill in the amount, category, date, and payment method, and attach your receipt or invoice for reference. Attachments keep everything verifiable and in one place. Quick note, if you need ClickUp, you'll find a download link and a website link right at the top of the description so you can get set up fast. To monitor spending, add a few helpful views. Use Table View to see all expenses, amounts, and categories side by side. Switch to Calendar View to spot spending patterns over time. Use Board View to drag tasks through statuses, from locked to paid, so your pipeline stays clear. For budget checks, stay in Table View and group by category or month. Turn on column totals to see the sum per group and compare monthly spending to your budget limits at a glance. Finally, review your expenses weekly to catch overspending early. Archive older months to keep the list light, and duplicate the setup when a new fiscal year starts. That's it. Thanks for watching.